The universe is not a peaceful place. Out there, beyond the night sky, there are things so powerful they could erase our planet without effort. Some are already active. Others are just waiting for their moment. Today you will learn about the 7 most powerful and destructive forces in the universe. Real phenomena born from the most extreme physics that don't need hatred to end everything we know. Prepare yourself, because after this you will see the sky with different eyes. Before we continue, share this video. That way more curious minds can explore the unknown with us. 7. Death of a supermassive star, the final roar of the Titans. Imagine a star 100 times larger than our sun, entering its final stage of life, and that we are close when it happens. Supermassive stars live fast and die violently. When their core can no longer support its own weight, it collapses on itself, and a catastrophic sequence begins, leading up to a supernova. But even before exploding, its death starts with a silent scream. Shockwaves, extreme stellar winds, lethal radiation. For days or weeks, it emits more energy than our sun does in millions of years. Earth's atmosphere would vaporize if we were too close. The ozone layer would disintegrate. All life forms would be exposed to a storm of particles and X-rays. And that is only the beginning, because what comes next makes even death seem merciful. If one of these titans collapses near us, there is no warning, only a light, brighter than 1,000 galaxies, and then silence. 6. Neutron star, the universe's crushing corpse. After the collapse, some stars don't explode completely. Instead, they condense into something denser than the human mind can comprehend. A neutron star is the dead core of a collapsed star. So compact, a single teaspoon would weigh more than Mount Everest. Its gravitational field could tear a planet apart, and its magnetic field can erase memories on a hard drive from millions of kilometers away. If a neutron star passed near our solar system, Earth would tremble. Not from earthquakes, but from the sheer force of its existence. Oceans would rise, the atmosphere would ripple like a sheet. Tidal forces would deform us until we broke, and there would be nothing we could do. Only watch as the corpse of a star devours the planet's balance. 5. Nearby supernova, the moment everything ends. A supernova is the catastrophic explosion of a star at the end of its life. When a supermassive star exhausts its fuel, it can no longer withstand gravity. Its core collapses and, in a fraction of a second, the outer layers are violently expelled into space.
This explosion releases an amount of energy so immense it can shine brighter than an entire galaxy for weeks. In that moment, heavy elements like gold and uranium are created, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of life and death. But if this supernova were to explode near Earth, within 30 light years, it would be a death sentence. A wave of lethal radiation would sweep the atmosphere, destroying the ozone layer that protects us from the sun, leaving the planet vulnerable to cosmic radiation. Electromagnetic storms would ravage electrical systems, DNA in every living being would break down, and life on Earth could go extinct in a matter of days. There is no way to stop it. No refuge would help. All that remains is to wait for the light, and then silence.
4. Rogue black hole, the faceless devourer. It emits no light, it reflects nothing, it only warps what surrounds it, and drifts through the universe. A rogue black hole is a singularity without a star, without orbit, a shadow with an appetite, and it travels slowly through interstellar space. If it entered our solar system, it would disrupt the orbits of planets. The climate would turn chaotic, and when it finally reaches us, our reality would stretch like a rubber band until it snaps. Earth would turn to dust, to heat, or to nothing. 3. Gamma rays, the scythe of light. Gamma-ray bursts are the most violent and energetic events known in the universe. They occur when two neutron stars collide or when a hypermassive supernova emits a concentrated jet of energy. These rays are beams of electromagnetic radiation traveling at the speed of light, with enough energy to destroy molecules and break atomic bonds. If one of these beams were directed at Earth, we could face a mass extinction. The beam would penetrate the atmosphere, destroying the ozone layer, leaving the surface exposed to the sun's lethal ultraviolet radiation. Life would be exposed to radiation so intense that even the toughest creatures would vanish within minutes or hours. And the scariest part, we wouldn't even see the beam before it hits us. 2. Strangelets, the universe's contagion. Strange matter, or strangelets, is a hypothetical form of matter composed of strange quarks, more stable than the ordinary matter we know. If a strangelet particle came into contact with ordinary matter, it could transform that matter into more strangelets, like an unstoppable virus that converts everything it touches into this exotic matter. This contagion could spread at lightning speed, turning the entire Earth into a compact mass of strange matter, a dark, dense ball, devoid of life or structure.
And there would be no way to stop it. We wouldn't even understand what destroyed us until it was too late. 1. Galactic collision, the universe's final dance. Excited. The Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to collide. 2 giant galaxies with billions of stars crashing into each other like monsters in slow motion. Narrating. In 4 billion years, the crash will begin. It won't be an explosion, but a gravitational dance lasting 1 billion years. Suspenseful. Stars will be ripped from their orbits, entire systems will be thrown into the void. And if our sun survives, it's likely Earth will not. Excited. This event has already begun, and even if you won't see it, it's part of our cosmic destiny. Suspenseful. These are not myths, they are not divine punishments, they are part of the universe. Narrating. And if science has taught us anything, it's that what we don't understand does not wait for us. It only moves forward. Excited. We are a tiny spark in the middle of a galactic storm, and the universe shows no mercy. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to subscribe. More chilling mysteries await.